Okay class, in this video we will start with question number 6 of a class exercise of chapter number 2. This is a word problem question. We will understand the question first and we will start doing the solution. Okay. Hari and Harry age are in a ratio 5:7. Let us understand the meaning of ratio. Ratio we had already done in previous classes. Ratio means converting two numbers into a lowest form. Lowest form means you have to convert or divide both the numbers, cancel both the numbers with the same given number. So first we will find the present age of two persons. Hari and Harry age are in a ratio 5:7. Present age they are talking about. So we can suppose let Hari's age, they are talking about the present age, we will write present age. Hari's present age equals to 5x. Why this 5x? We have taken that common multiple of the number with which it was multiplied earlier and converted into the lowest form. So we will take the same number for the 7 and 5. So we can convert it into a age. Then let Harry's age, present age equals to 7x. Now 4 years from now, आज से 4 साल बाद, if my age is 30, after 4 years my age will be 34. So 4 years from now means I can write down not 4 years from now, I can write after 4 years. After 4 years, what will be their age? After 4 years, what will be their age? Hari's age will be 5x is the present age plus 4 if I do, I get 5x plus 4. Harry's age 7x plus 4. Now I got two ages, 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. These are the age after 4 years. Now they say the ratio of their ages is 3:4. Ratio means they have been divided in numerator and denominator and the ratio is equals to 3/4. So according to question, we get 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 equals to 3/4. Now this is an equation which we have got. This is one of the important step of a word problem to form an equation. Everything goes simple after this. Means simply calculation part is left. We will find the ages of the Hari and Harry. Okay, I am raising the top part. Let me solve it. Now after solving it, we have to cross multiply the denominator. 4, 5x plus 4 equals to 3, 7x plus 4, 20x plus 16, 21x plus 12. Now same variable on one side. 20x minus 21x, 12 minus 16. I can erase this part also. It gives me minus x equals to minus 4. Minus cancel with 5 minus x equals to 4. Now I have got the common multiple which we have supposed the common multiple 5x, 7x. So we have got 4. X value I have got 4. Now they asked what are their present ages. For present age, first I will calculate for Hari. It was 5x. That means 5 into 4, 20 years. Present age of Hari is 20 years. And Harry is, what is Harry's present age? It was 7x. 7 into 4, 28 years. So first we have to understand the question, convert it into your simple language and form an equation. This is an easy steps. Okay, let us start with question number 7. We will read the question first. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो अपने न्यूमरेटर से 8 बड़ा है. So let if I suppose if I suppose let numerator equals to x, then denominator equals to x plus 8. Denominator is greater than its numerator. Denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. न्यूमरेटर से 8 बड़ा है. अगर एक x है तो दूसरा x plus 8. Now let us read the next line. If the numerator is increased by 17, let me form the equation first. X upon x plus 8. This is a rational number form. If the numerator is increased by 17, numerator increase means plus by 17. Denominator is decreased by 1, denominator minus 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. The number obtained is 3 by 2. This is the equation form. This is according to question. This is an equation form. Now let us solve the numerator and denominator first. X plus 17 upon x plus 7 equals to 3 by 2. Now cross multiply the denominator. 2 x plus 17 equals to 3 x plus 7. Now open the bracket. 2x plus 34 equals to 3x plus 21. Same concept. 2x minus 3x equals to 21 minus 34. Minus x equals to minus 13. X equals to 13. Now you have got the value of x as 13. That means you have not got the rational number. You have got only the numerator. What was your numerator? X. So x you have got 13. So that means numerator was x, that is equals to 13. Denominator was x plus 8, that is equals to 13 plus 8, that forms 21. And the rational number obtained was rational number numerator upon denominator. This is your answer. With this we have completed the last exercise of this chapter. In next module we will start with exercise 2.2.